All right, team. Operation Acorn is a go. I repeat, Operation Acorn is a go. We're counting on you.
Good morning! We are ready to begin the petrol pump construction project.
Excellent. Let's get started. The last bit of concrete. It's perfectly smooth. The petrol pump is almost ready.
Lower it slowly. Watch the alignment with the pipes. Almost there. Checking the connections now. Looks good. Secure it in place. That looks correct. Start covering the trench. Affirmative. Bringing the shovel over now. Does the rebar look straight, boss? Looks good. Go ahead and pour the concrete. All right, bring the next one in. Watch the alignment. Setting it down now, boss. Looks good. The canopy is up. Looks great, gentlemen. Well done.